Marion Kessler, one stock you like in the Becker Value Equity Fund is Newmont Mining.
Yes.
Stock's doing great, up almost 20% in 2015, but gold is down around 3%. Why the difference?
Well, the operating leverage of the company is really substantial, and Newmont Mining, although the commodity is down this year, the stock has reacted very positively because a third of their costs come from energy, and energy, as we all know, has declined by 50% in the last 6 months. So in terms of balance sheet improvement and free cash flow, the earnings picture for this gold miner is actually improving.
And you're also bullish on AT&T.
Yes, we
now,
are.
telephone, as they call it on Wall Street, is coming out of the Dow, but it still has a place in your portfolio. Why is that?
It is, and we focus on free cash flow and ability to have a flexible balance sheet going forward. We love the fact that the stock is yielding about just under 6%, and we think 2015 will be a much better year than 14 from a free cash flow standpoint. We're also very positive on the diversification and international expansion that they have done through the pending acquisition of DTV, as well as a couple of Mexican assets.
And then finally, you're a fan of Viacom. Now, a small TV station network, I think it was Suddenlink, dropped Viacom's channels last year. Didn't cause too much of a ripple. So does this pose a threat for Viacom?
There is always a threat of losing affiliate fees, losing these relationships, but there are very few data companies out there, Viacom, Time Warner, Disney, and others, that are creating good content. Now, Viacom is trading at a significant valuation discount to the rest of its peers because of concerns about affiliate revenue, particularly ad revenue in MTV, Comedy Central with the recent losses of personnel. So there have been concerns about the stock, but it's got a 10% free cash flow yield. They're buying back stock. They've got a very flexible balance sheet. Berkshire Hathaway owns, just under 10% of the company. So there's a lot going for Viacom with a cushion built in from a valuation standpoint.
All right, thanks a lot, Marion.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Thank you for watching The Street.